How to improve signal service on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to boost your iPhone signal, here is what can be done. For the first method, you need to toggle the airplane mode. Swipe down from the top right to open the control panel and then tap on the airplane mode. Make sure to leave it for 10 seconds, then tap it off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the nearest cell tower. For the step 2, restart your iPhone. Hold the side button and volume button until slide to power off appears. Slide to turn off and you will have to wait for 30 seconds. Then you can turn it back again. Moving on for the third step, check for the career settings update. For this, head over to the device settings. Once you are on your device settings, head over to the general. Once you tap on general, then go to about section. Once you tap on about section, if any update appears, make sure to tap on update. This can appear like a pop-up, so you can just tap on update and you're good to go. For the next method, you have to enable Wi-Fi calling. Go to the phone or cell option. If you cannot find it, just tap on the search bar and type phone. After that, go for Wi-Fi calling. Then turn it on. Confirm when prompted. This lets you make calls via Wi-Fi when cell signals is weak. However, if this does not work, you might have to reset the network settings. To do so, head over to settings page again and go to general. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and tap on reset network settings. This will ask you to enter your passcode and confirm. This will erase the Wi-Fi password, VPNs and Bluetooth connections, so note them down first. You can also consider a signal booster such as external devices called VBoost SureCall that can amplify the weak reception in your home or your car. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.